In this video I'm going to show you how to simply adjust clips on TikTok after new update. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up TikTok application and there hit on plus sign to start creating a video. I'll upload some from my photo gallery, and there I can edit this video just by hitting on adjust clips right there. It brings us to editor mode, and here first I can hit at edit to bring up that extra options. Now here I can, if I want to, let's say I want to trim the start of that video, all I have to do is select the frame and there hit as split to divide the video row into two parts, and now I can delete the first part. Also I can hit at edit again, and there I can speed up some part. For that I have to split the video row two times, then select the middle row, and there I can hit add speed and there increase speed of that part. I can make it up to 10x. I'll set it to 3 for example, and then hit save. Also I can rotate some part of the video. I'll just select that part, then hit on rotate, and as you see that part is now rotated. Also I can hit there again and rotate it one more time. Also there I can go back out of here, and there I can add here some sound. I can just hit add sound icon, hit add sound, and now I can select a sound from here. Let's say I like that sound. I'll just hit on that sound and there hit on this check mark to add this sound to my video. As you see, the audio row appeared here, and also I'm able to add there some text. Just hit add text, write it here. You can change its font, and also you can change color and highlight. Then you can hit done and change text size and position of that text. Also you can here change the time duration for that text. You can simply increase it by dragging the edge of this text to show it along all the video. And also here you can make overlay for that video. Just hit add overlay, hit on plus sign, and there you can add some video here. For example, you can change its size, change position, and also change the appearance time, like that. And basically that's it. Now you know how to adjust clips on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.